Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So in this video I will explain you how Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum and Litecoin has moved in the last week and how these cryptocurrencies can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of Bitcoin, what we have seen that the Bitcoin has already made a low, and this is after 2021 we have seen that it made a low of around $17,503, and which is the most least low you can see here. Okay, and if we go beyond this November 2020, we can see that there has been a range where the price of Bitcoin was further low. Okay, and now we have seen a swing forming at this particular level. Okay, so what we can see, it can is there, we can see that an upside trend for Bitcoin will start and have started, you can say, if the price didn't fall below a level of $18,478. Okay, now what we can see looking at the chart for the next week. Before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding crypto, forex or commodities, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. I have given a Telegram link in the description. You can join that too. Okay, and please watch the full video as I'm making short videos and you will understand more with this technical thing. Okay, suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $24,327, and from there we can see it can go further higher towards a level of $24,815. Okay, and suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $25,465, and if that level goes upside, we can see it can touch a level of $27,252. Okay, and suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further higher towards a level of $31,447, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can move further high and can touch a level of $36,351. Okay, and once the price goes above that level, a probability is very high, we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of 42 also. Before that, $859. Okay, and once if it is sustained above this level, then we can see a pattern will form, a probability of moving further upside will be there. But suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, because it is continuously moving down, okay, so we can see it can touch a level of $22,540. Okay, and if that level goes downside, then a probability of touching its low $17,666 is very high. If this level didn't sustain 22,500, we can see a level of 17,666, and from there we can see it can move further down and can touch a level of $16,528, and from there we can see it can move further down. Okay, because a probability will be very high that it will range the low of around you can say 2 years, which has not been touched this particular level. So if it goes below this level, we can see it can move further down. Okay, now if we talk about Dogecoin, if you look at the Dogecoin, what we have seen, the Dogecoin has also shown a U pattern here, not particularly U pattern, you can say the trend has changed. That means if you look at the range high is around 0.0880. okay, and if this level sustain upside, we can see a probability of moving further high will be very much. Okay, and if you notice the low is around 0.056. okay, and if this low breaks downside, we can see it can go further down. Okay, now what we can see looking at the chart of Dogecoin. See, if you look at the chart of Dogecoin, what we have seen, there is a range forming. Suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see it can go and touch a level of $0.076. okay, and if this level goes upside, a probability will be very high, we can see it can break this particular level. That is from June, it is moving in the particular zone, so probability will be very high, we can see a level of 0.082, and from there we can see an upside trend for Dogecoin will start, that is around 0.106, and then further upside we can see for the Dogecoin. But suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, what we can see, okay, if this particular level didn't sustain, the next support coming at around 0.048, and this is the support. If this level, we can see a bounce back from this level, or if this level breaks downside, a further down we can see it can go to a level of around we can see a level of around $0.038, and then from there we can see it can move further low. Then a probability will be very high, it can move further down. So you have to keep this in mind that once this range breaks upside, we can see further high. If range breaks downside, we can see it can move further down. Okay, now if we talk about Ethereum, see, if we talk about Ethereum have shown a very good upside trend, what we have seen. Okay, but overall if we have looked, we have seen that all the cryptos was moving very much in the low side. Okay, but suppose if this particular level sustain as a swing, we have seen a form at this particular level. Okay, if you have made a buy, which if you have given, I've already explained that this swing has already been made, so probability will be high. We can see cryptos can move further high. Okay, and you have seen that a buy was around 24, but that was the very situation where we have seen a swing, and probability 2 is very high. Okay, now it has touched the level of $16.96. Okay, suppose if this level sustain, a probability will be very high. We can see a level of $13, and if that level goes upside, a further upside we can see at a level of $22. Okay, and suppose if this level goes upside, a probability will be very high. We can see it can go further high towards a level of $21.54, and from there we can see it can move further high. Okay, because there is a high probability that we have seen that it is moving upside. Okay, because it is continuously moving down. Now a trend has changed, so probability can be high. We can see cryptos can move further upside. But suppose if this Ethereum didn't sustain this particular level, trading at around $16.96. Okay, if this level didn't sustain, a probability will be very high. We can see it can move further down towards a level of $14.62, and if that level also didn't sustain, a probability will be very high. We can see a level of $12.31. Okay, and once the range breaks downside, then we can see it can touch a level of $1044, and from there we can see it can go further low, and a probability of touching $880 is very high if this level didn't sustain. Okay, so as overall we can see a trend for upside is shown in all the cryptos. Mostly I've been analyzing all. Okay, if we talk about Litecoin, see, if we talk about Litecoin also we have seen a swing has formed at this particular level, currently trading at around $61.12. Okay, suppose if this level sustain, a probability will be very high. We can see it can move to a level of $69.57. Okay, and if that level goes upside, we can see it can go further high towards a level of $74.70. Okay, and once this range break upside, because 74.75 is an upside high, so probabilities are high. If that level goes upside, we can see a level of $107.20, and if that level goes upside, we can see it can move further high towards a level of $116.52. Okay, once if it goes upside, we can see it can move further high. But suppose if this range breaks downside, we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $52.13, and if that level goes downside, we can see it can touch a level of $45.92. Okay, and suppose if the price didn't sustain that level, a probability is very high. We can see a level of $39.82, and once this range breaks downside, we can see it can move further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join for update there. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.